So what is Six Sigma? Well, it all begins with an important metric, and that metric is Defects Per Million Opportunities, or DPMO. DPMO is a scientific measure and a way to calculate the number of potential mistakes or defects we get when we provide a product or service. This DPMO metric sits inside the organizational system within which Six Sigma operates. The next part of this system is called the improvement methodology, and the phrase for that is called DMAIC, which translates as define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. This improvement methodology, in addition to the metrics, is part of an overall organizational system within which we use Six Sigma to improve business processes of all types. Six Sigma is a set of techniques and tools for process improvement. It was introduced by American engineer Bill Smith while working at Motorola in 1986. A Six Sigma process is one in which 99.99966% of all opportunities to produce some features of a part are statistically expected to be free of defects. Six Sigma strategies seek to improve manufacturing quality by identifying and removing the causes of defects and minimizing variability in the manufacturing and business processes. It does this by using empirical and statistical quality management methods and by hiring people who serve as Six Sigma experts. Each Six Sigma project follows a defined methodology and has specific value targets, such as reducing pollution or increasing customer satisfaction. In process improvement efforts, Defects Per Million Opportunities, or DPMO, is a measure of process performance. It is defined as a non-conformance of a quality characteristic to its specification. Processes that are considered highly capable are those that experience fewer than 3.4 defects per million opportunities and are stated to be in Six Sigma. A downside of using defectiveness as a measure is that you can have an invoice with just a small spelling error in the address line, while another invoice might have an incorrect calculation, wrong address, and wrong customer name. Both are defective, but certainly they are not wrong to the same degree. Central to the Six Sigma methodology are the 5 improvement steps that form the DMAIC framework. All Six Sigma projects start with the define phase, where we clearly identify the business problem, goals, resources, scope, and timeline of the project. Next, we begin collecting performance baseline data in the measure phase. In the analyze phase, we identify, validate, and select the root causes. Next, we test and implement viable solutions in the improve phase, before finally developing methods to control and sustain the changes implemented in the project. But DMAIC is not the only framework used in Six Sigma. From time to time, we may have to use variations like DAMDV, IDOV, or DAMDOV. Alternatively, we may use the Design for Six Sigma or DFSS framework. Six Sigma was developed at Motorola in 1986 by Bill Smith and Michael Harry. During its first 12 years, the methodology ended up saving Motorola more than $16 billion. Harry would eventually leave Motorola for ABB, where he created the Six Sigma Academy and wrote the first book of knowledge. Eventually, Harry would move to Allied Signal, and after its success, its CEO, Larry Bossidy, introduced Six Sigma to General Electric. It was at General Electric that GE's CEO, Jack Welch, became one of the biggest Six Sigma champions, even integrating the first Six Sigma-based employee evaluation and recognition program in the industry. Most of what we know about the methodology today comes from these first 4 pioneering companies. Quality control is crucial to the success of any business. It can either make or break an organization. Good quality products and services build trust and lead to repeat business. But bad quality costs an organization money and drives that business away. Every week, we upload new videos between 5 and 10 minutes in length, where we will focus on the concepts and strategic implementation of Lean and Six Sigma. As a Master Black Belt, I am passionate about quality. And if you are too, then click subscribe to be notified whenever we upload our next Lean Six Sigma video.